you want to get wealthy in your 30s and 40s, then you need to learn from self-made wealthy people. If you don't know any self-made wealthy people, don't worry, I gotcha. I came to America in my late 20s, went from broke as a joke, not having money to pay rent, and sleeping on my friends' couches to becoming a self-made millionaire at the age of 37. Now I teach others how it's done. First thing wealthy people don't do is working hard on low-income producing stuff. They don't work hard on things that require limited resources like your physical resource or your time. They work hard on things with unlimited resource like the online financial markets, other people's businesses, also known as stocks, and things that can reproduce after themselves without effort, like automated online sales, which are things you can now easily access thanks to the internet and AI. The second thing wealthy people don't do is paying cash for liabilities. They don't pay for travel, they don't pay for a luxury car, they don't pay for their house. I just bought us an almost $10 million home, but I didn't pay cash for even the down payment. What I did instead was I borrowed against my stock and crypto portfolios and paid for the down payment while my money is still working for me and compounding inside my accounts. I then paid myself back through my other passive revenue streams that includes my best-selling books and online businesses. This way, I'm giving my money multiple jobs without stopping it from compounding. The third thing self-made millionaires didn't do is to wait to get out of debt to start investing. There is a fear-mongering going around debt that is keeping people trapped in a debt cycle. I'm not telling you not to pay your credit card debt, but if you could leverage debt to accelerate your revenue, you could use other people's money cheaper than your own money. You better take that debt so you can make money faster. If you're ready to learn how to take control of your financial future and make your money work for you, go to my free masterclass, register your seat at investiva.com/masterclass.